How the hell is everyone doing today? Wanted to get on here. Been a minute since I made a video, but I was like, let me just get on here and make a video for you guys. So today we were long from basically last Friday in that 58.80 area. We did try to stab long a little bit in the 59.20 area. That failed, but got out quick, and the next level down was 58.80. So obviously the no-brainer play was take 58.80 and ride it up to 59.20. Even if you got in at 58.90, that's a solid 30-point swing. So here we are in the futures channel of the Discord. Just very simple spot where I just I do my analysis, and I make it nice and simple for you guys. This is what I'm looking at. This is where I'm looking to buy. This is where I'm looking to sell. This is where I would use a stop loss, whatever. Try to keep it simple. So let's see what happened today. So look at that. So we came right up into that 59.20 area, plus some more. 59.33 was the high of the session. In the overnight session, which was actually early pre-market session, we actually came down and tested that 58.8650 level again, exactly, and bounced very nicely from there. So we all had a nice opportunity to add long 58.90 this morning. If you didn't happen to swing from Friday, we did get a little bit of a rally into that same zone after, end of the day and in the after hour session of this is actually the Sunday night session, sorry. So yeah, Friday session took us to 59.05. Okay, so here we are. Came down, tested 58.86, and then came up to test this area. Textbook stuff, right? Question is, where do we go from here? So, we could easily reject back down from this area back to test these lows again, or even make new lows, right? I think if we break 58.80, we will likely go down to this 58.40 level right here. I have in orange. I'm still kind of leaning for, like I posted in the futures chat, this single print or spike zone to be tested, which is also the 30-minute 200 SMA right now on the 30-minute chart. So a little bit of confluence there. There's also a fib retrace level there. Let's take a look. So we came down and we tested this point of control here perfectly and held it. Again, this 58.80 area was this pivot zone right here, which is from the end of October when we sold off to 58.80. We dead cat bounced up to this zone and then sold off to new lows in that 57.20 area, which again we were looking for back then, and we took long in that area. So, gun to my head, I'm gonna say we go up a little bit higher, but I won't be surprised if 59.20 fails and we go back down. So I did add some hedges on SPY for the beginning of December, which I did post in the channel, and I am swinging some futures long positions. I do want to look, let me see, I do want to point out the volume on the volume average chart on Friday. So it was also OPEX on Friday too. Let's not forget that. A lot of fuckery happens on OPEX. So, a lot of hands are being changed, options positions being closed and open and all this. It causes wild movements, right? Not uncanny to have a move like we did just on OPEX, and then we just rally from there, right? And then if you look at the volume, down here on the bottom, these green vertical bars, very good size volume that came in at those lows. And look at also the moving averages. You have the 21 SMA here in this yellowish green line that I have here. That got tested, and we held it so far. So as long as we don't lose that 58.80 level, like I said, I'm looking for 59.50 to 59.70 to be tested. That's where I'll close all my longs, and I'll most likely add some short positions there, because I think we'll probably go down a little bit lower. But like I said, if you lose 58.80, you have that 58.40 area down below, and actually the 50 SMA is at 58.21. So there you go. Always a good target. We already tested it back here at the end of November, and that held beautifully. That's been a pretty good spot to add longs most of the year. A little bit right there, dip below there, but if you would have bought there, you'd be happy. Same thing here, dip below, got bought back up here, dip down to it, massive ripper from there. 3,000 point rally in a very short period of time on the ES. So no one should be surprised by any pullbacks from 6,000 plus. So, but I do think, like I said, going a little bit higher and then maybe sell off again. Let's see. If you guys want more updates on a regular basis, hop into the Discord. I'll be in there. I'm very active every day on here. Who knows? I might not post another fucking video for 2 more months. I don't know. I'm going to try and be more regular about it, but, I'm fucking busy doing stuff. So, anyway, hope you guys found this video helpful. Have a great day.